Hi parents, this is Mrs. Nice
and Mrs. Lamondo, and we felt this was a great time to reach out to you and explain our new grading system since we just posted grades.
So today, if you check your child's history grade, you're going to see that we published grades. So when you go into School Loop, you will see that for history, it says a progress report is available. Click on the progress report and you will be able to see the 2 assignments that we put in. Once you click on it, you will see a screen like this.
Please make sure that you are looking at the name of the assignments to the left of your screen. It will give you the category, whether or not it's an assessment or practice within the classroom.
Then on the right-hand side, you will be able to see their score. Everything we grade this year is going to be out of 4. These are not points, it is our rubric. And over here, you could see what those scores mean. Please do not divide and come up with percentages for these things. For example, a 2 out of 4 is not a 50%. These are not percentages. And in fact, you will notice that you don't see a letter grade at the top like you normally do or a percentage. That function is turned off. All you're able to see is what score your child got for the assignment based on our rubric.
Our goal is for your students to be achieving a 3 this year. That is, they are meeting the standards for the 7th grade curriculum. Sometimes you may notice that your student has exceeded and will receive a 4. And there will be times where they will be approaching with a 2 or a 1.
So the first 2 assignments we've put in were actually a quiz that the students took about historical skills. We covered 2 different standards with that, and so we put the quiz in as 2 different assignments. The first one is the historical skills quiz timeline skills, and you could see where your child is approaching the standard. Actually, this one is meeting the standard. And then the second one is the same quiz, but it was for a different standard. It was looking at credibility of sources and identifying source type. And you could see on this one, a 2 would be approaching the standard.
On an assessment, if your student chooses to, they are able to retake what they missed if they score a 1 or a 2. The maximum they would be able to earn would be a 3. Our goal, again, is that they are meeting the standard. It is not required for them to retake. However, it is an option this year.
The other thing we want to show you is if you click on the actual assessment title or the name of the assignment, whether it's an assessment or classwork and homework, it's going to open up a screen that looks like this. And here you will see that we posted the actual standards that were covered by that assignment. And so sometimes it will be 1 standard or maybe 2 standards, but these standards are pretty much directly the standards that we're working from.
We want to thank you for going on this journey with us this year, and we understand there will be questions that come up. Please feel free to email us at any time with any questions that you may have.
Thank you.